Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying power and access. Check battery level, keep the mechanical backup key handy, and clear any door obstructions. Press the interior programming button once to enter setup mode. You may need a screwdriver to remove a cover. Enter the factory master code when prompted, then input your new 4-8-digit user code slowly so the lock records each press. Once programmed, test the code once to confirm it registers, and make sure the door is open while you finish setup. Now you expand functionality. Add additional user codes by re-entering programming mode and selecting the Add User option. Follow the lock's voice or LED prompts for each step and wait for confirmation beeps. Configure optional features, auto-lock delay, passage mode, or temporary guest codes, because these change how the door behaves and who gets access. Once done, test each new code and setting immediately. Make sure to record master and user codes in a secure place. This prevents lockouts later. Finish by thoroughly testing every path. Lock and unlock from outside, inside, and with each user code. Confirm auto-lock timing works as set. If a code fails, first replace batteries, low power causes input errors, then re-enter master programming mode and reprogram the problematic code. If problems persist, reset to factory defaults and redo setup. Note your lock's model and firmware when contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip. Always try a fresh battery before more invasive fixes, because it resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.